I'm Patty Limry, and I'm building the Monroe one-story with Shaw Homes. What I've enjoyed about this process with the design studio appointments has been such a great interaction between me and the designer, really listening to what I want and what I'm looking for, helping me pick out what I need for my new home to be the dream home I've always wanted it to be. If I knew someone who was thinking about building, my advice would be the two biggest things I looked at was my floor plan and where I wanted to build. And I looked around at some of the different floor plans that Shaw had. I love the Parade of Homes because you had that opportunity and I could truly compare apples to apples because the homes were already finished. You could look at the neighborhoods. And then once I figured out my floor plan I really liked, then it was where did I want to build. And it took me a little longer to figure out where I wanted to build. But I'm so glad I did because I'm so happy with the floor plan and where I'm building and how everything's going to turn out in my new house. When I first decided to build a home, I compared Shaw against the other builders in the area and talked to friends who built homes and with their builders. And the people who had the Shaw homes were much happier with how their homes turned out, the communication between the builder and themselves and keeping them up to date on how their progress was going.